Hey guys, once again, welcome back to the video. My name is Digvijay, and welcome you all to my YouTube channel that is TechFly Digvijay. Today we'll discuss about one job opportunity that is for level 5. The job level is level 5, and the job position name is SME Automation, and it's come under the AVS team, that is Amazon Vendor Service. As you can see, that's Amazon Vendor Service. AVS is just seeking for highly analytical and technical proficient subject matter experts. So this is the work location is Bangalore. As you can see, the job ID this one 3070472, and it's completely work from office. So not taking too much time. Moving towards to the basic qualification. There are 3+ year of program or the program management experience, knowledge of Excel skills to be able to refine data and prepare business report, experience interpreting data and making business recommendation, experience using data to influence business decision, knowledge of Microsoft Office product and applications only. Preferred qualification. If you have this one, then it's a good to go. Experience with Tableau or other data tools. Knowledge of advanced Excel, array and statics formula. If you want to work with Amazon, and so make some knowledge about the operations tool, just like Excel, Power BI, and the MySQL. So these are the common things that are commonly using in the operation things. So how you can apply for this position? Just copy this job ID. The job ID is 3070472. This is the home page. You just come here, just paste it, and just click on the search button. You're getting this one. So you can apply. Just click here, apply now, and just apply. Thank you for today. We'll see you in the next video. If you have any doubt, please do comment. And if this video help you in any of the way, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.